Hi, David here from Jotform, here to show you how to turn your online form responses into polished PDFs using the new Jotform PDF Editor. Using the design panel on the right, you can fully customize the look and feel of your new PDF. If you don't want to design one from scratch, we've got you covered with over 100 different pre-made templates. Adding new elements into your PDF is as simple as clicking what you'd like to add from the Elements menu to the left. Then, customize the color scheme and fonts however you would like. Add a logo or image, and arrange the form fields how you'd like them to appear in the final document. When you are ready to see how your new PDF looks, just select the preview option in the top right corner. From there, you'll have the option to print your document, share it by email or link, or download it. In this view, you can also see how your form submission data would appear in the PDF.